Hey there, gorgeous people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: how to get a sharp jawline. A well-defined jawline can add a touch of elegance to your facial aesthetics. So let's get started on the journey to achieve that chiseled look. No one. Diet and nutrition. You are what you eat, and your jawline reflects that too. Incorporate a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, whole grains, and vegetables. Cut down on sugary and processed foods that can lead to bloating and water retention, hiding your jawline's potential. No. 2. Hydration. Hydration is key for overall skin health, and it plays a vital role in achieving that sharp jawline. Drinking enough water helps flush out toxins and reduces bloating, revealing a more defined facial structure. No. 3. Cardio and exercise. Cardio workouts not only improve your cardiovascular health, but also help shed excess fat, including the one that might be masking your jawline. Incorporate regular cardio exercises like running, cycling, or swimming into your routine to promote fat loss. No. 4. Jawline exercises. Just like any other muscle, you can exercise your jawline muscles too. Try facial exercises that target the jaw area. These include chin lifts, jaw clenching, and neck stretches. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. No. 5. Facial massage. Relax and pamper yourself with a facial massage. Gently massage the jawline area with upward strokes to promote blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. This can help reduce puffiness and enhance the definition of your jawline. No. 6. Posture. Believe it or not, your posture affects your jawline's appearance. Maintain proper posture. Shoulders back, head held high. This not only makes you look confident, but also emphasizes your jawline by avoiding the appearance of a double chin. No. 7. Grooming. Grooming plays a significant role in highlighting your jawline. Keep your beard or facial hair well trimmed, especially along the jawline. A well-groomed beard can add structure and definition to your face. No. 8. Contouring makeup. Makeup isn't just for ladies. Guys can use contouring techniques too. Lightly apply bronzer or contouring powder along the jawline to create the illusion of shadows, enhancing the sharpness of your jaw. No. 9. Time and patience. Achieving a sharp jawline takes time and patience. It's a gradual process, and results may not be immediate. Don't get discouraged if you don't see instant changes. Consistency is the key to success here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fantastic content. Until next time, stay confident and keep shining. Goodbye.